CBSE Mathematics Class 12 Exercise 13.5. Question number 1. A die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is a success, what is the probability of 5 success? अब देखिए, a die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is a success, what is the probability of 5 success? Second part है at least 5 success, and third part that is at most 5 success. There are 3 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, and so the probability of odd number will be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, that is represented as success. Now probability of even number, that will be also 3 by 6, so it will be 1 by 2, that is failure. So first part is probability of 5 success, that is 5 P5, and it will be 6C5 into 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus 5, 1 by 2 raised to power 5. This is success, this is failure. So when we will solve this combination, you will get 6, 1 by 2 raised to power 1, so 1 by 2 raised to power 5 will be sorted out. This, it will be 64. So 6 by 64, that will be equal to 3 by 32, and it will be the required answer. Now the second part, at least 5 success. This implies that the probability at least 5 success. So probability for 5 success, that is probability for 5 failure plus 6 success, क्योंकि एटलीस्ट 5 सक्सेस होना चाहिए. तो देखिए, probability of 5 failure and probability of 6 success, तो उसमें से हम माइनस प्लस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमारे को? एटलीस्ट 5 सक्सेस का मिलेगा. सो इट विल बी 6C6, that will be 1 by 2 raised to power 6, 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus 6, that will be equal to 1 into, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, this part will become 1, क्योंकि 6 minus 6, that is 0, so anything raised to power 0 will be equal to 1. So देखिए यहाँ पर 6C6 will be equal to 1, and 1 by 2 raised to power 6 into 1, that will be equal to 1 by 2 raised to power 6. Now 6 into 1 by 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 by 2 raised to power 6, इसको सॉल्व कर लिया, यहाँ पर रख दिया, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया हमने. अब देखिए, तो 1 by 2 raised to power 6 कॉमन ले लेंगे यहाँ से, और यहाँ से कॉमन ले लेंगे. इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट यू विल गेट, हियर 6 मिलेगा, यहाँ पर 1 मिलेगा. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 upon 2 raised to power 6, that will be equal to 7 upon 64. This will be the required answer. Now come to the third part of it. At most 5 success. Total probability is 1. So at most 5 success, that can be worked out. 1 minus P6. 1 minus P6. That is 1 minus6C6 into 1 by 2 raised to power 6. अभी हमने रिसेंटली वर्कआउट किया है इसके सेकेंड पार्ट में. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 minus 1 into 1 by 2 raised to power 6, and it will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 64, that will be equal to 63 upon 64. This will be the required answer. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 states that a pair of dice is thrown 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered a success, find the probability of 2 success. अब देखिए डबलेट आने का मतलब क्या है, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, these are the doublet. So the pair of dice is thrown 4 times, means n is equal to 4. Getting a doublet, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. This represent success our. So P is getting a doublet. देखिए 1 1 लिख दिया, कितना है 6 है. So probability will be equal to 6 upon 36, that is 1 by 6 सक्सेस आ गया. Q ये P है जो सक्सेस, सॉरी यहाँ पर P जो है ये सक्सेस का है, Q जो है फेल्योर का है. Q इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 1 बाई 6, दैट विल इक्वल टू 5 बाई 6. मीन्स जो सक्सेस की 1 बाई 6 है प्रोबेबिलिटी और इसका फेल्योर का है 5 बाई 6 फेल्योर का. Formula which we will use here is NC6, NCX, NCX, P raised to power X. P जो है यहाँ पर सक्सेस का है, Q जो है फेल्योर का है, Q raised to power N minus X. अब देखिए यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है सक्सेस और फेल्योर. So now put P X is equal to 2. Probability of 2 सक्सेस हमारे को वर्कआउट करना है. So 4C2 into 1 by 6 raised to power 2 into 5 by 6 raised to power 4 minus 2. It will be 4 factorial upon 2 factorial in bracket 4 minus 2 factorial into 1 by 36 into 25 by 36. So it will be equal to, after solving you will get here 6, 1 by 36, 25 by 36. Further simplify it, you will get 25 upon 216, and this is the required answer of question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. There are 5% defective items in a large bulk of items. What is the probability that sample of 10 items will include not more than one defective item? देखिए डिफेक्टिव आइटम क्या है 5%. This means 5 by 100, and further simplify किया 1 by 20. So n is here 10. Success के लिए है 1 by 20. Q, that is failure, that is 1 minus 1 by 20, that is 19 by 20. Now the probability we have to work out that is not more than 1. So probability that is X is less than or equal to 1. So probability of X is equal to 0 and probability of X is equal to 1. So 10C0, इसके लिए वर्कआउट 10C0 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20 जो सक्सेस का है 1 upon 20 raised to power 0. 19 upon 20 raised to power 10 minus 0, that is 10. हो जाएगा 10C1, that is 1 by 20 raised to power 1 into 19 by 20 raised to power 10 minus 1. Here it will be 10C0, that is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 20 raised to power 0, that is 1, 19 by 20 raised to power 10, it will remain as it is. So 10 here you see, the 10C1 means 10, 1 by 20 as it is, into 19 by 20 raised to power 10 minus 1, that is 9 here. So now you can take 19 by 20 raised to power 9 common, here, from here and here. You can take it common. From here you will get 19 by 20 plus 1 by 2. You further solve it, you will get 19 by 20 raised to power 19 by 20 raised to power 9 in bracket 19 plus 10 whole divided by 20. That will be equal to 19 by 20 raised to power 9 into 29 by 20. This will be the required answer. Now come to the question number 4. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all the 5 cards are spades? Only 3 cards are spades, none is spade. Means 3 parts है इसके देखिए. Here n is 5. P stand for the success and getting the spade. Spade अगर आता है तो सक्सेस का है. So probability will be equal to 13 divided by 52, that is 1 by 4. And failure क्या लिया होगा? 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So all 5 cards are spade. So the formula which we will use here, that is NCX into P raised to power X and Q raised to power N minus X. Here Px5, that is 5C5, 1 by 4 raised to power 5 and 3 by 4 raised to power 5 minus 5. Here it will be 1, 5C5, that will be 1, and 1 by 4 raised to power 5, that is 1 by 4 raised to power 5, into 3 by 4 raised to power 0. So this one will also become 1. So here 1 and here 1, 1 upon 4 raised to power 5. So just to solve it, you will get here 1 upon 1024, and this will be the required answer of first part of the question number 4. Now come to the second part of question number 4. Only 3 cards are spades. So the probability X is equal to 3, 5C3, 1 by 4 raised to power 3 and 3 by 4 raised to power 5 minus 3. Here after solving you will get 10, 5C3. Here 1 by 4 raised to power 3, that is 1 upon 64. 3 by 4 raised to power 2 हो जाएगा, that will become 9 by 16. Further solve it, you will get 19 divided by 1024. Further simplify किया, 45 upon 512. This will be the required answer. Now come to the third part. Third part is none is spade. That is X is equal to 0, means 5C0, 1 by 4 raised to power 0, 3 by 4 raised to power 5 minus 0. Here you will get 1, 1 by 4 raised to power 0, that will be also 1. So here the 3 raised to power 5, that is 243, and 4 raised to power 5, that is 1024. So 243 divided by 1024 will be the required answer of third part of the question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 states that the probability that a bulb produced by a factory will fuse after 150 days of use is 0.05. Find the probability that out of 5 such bulbs, none, first part is none, second, not more than 1, third, more than 1, and fourth, at least 1, will fuse after 150 days of use. अब देखिए यहाँ पर हमने 5 बल्ब सेलेक्ट किया करना है. सो n इज इक्वल टू 5. प्रोबेबिलिटी इज P मीन्स सक्सेस के लिए जो लिया है, दैट इज 0.05. Therefore Q will be equal to 1 minus 0.05, that will be equal to 0.95. So none के लिए क्या किया हमने, x is equal to 0, P x is equal to 0, 5C0 in bracket 0.05 raised to power 5 into 0.95 whole raised to power 5 minus 0, that will be equal to 0.95 raised to power 5, and this will be the required answer. Now come to the second part, not more than 1. Not more than 1 का मतलब क्या हो गया, it is x is less than or equal to 1. So probability of x less than or equal to 1, that will be probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So probability of x is equal to 0, just we have worked out, that is 0.95 whole raised to power 5 plus 5C1 into 0.05 raised to power 1 into 0.95 raised to power 5 minus 1. Here, after solving, you will get 0.95 raised to power 5 plus 5 into 0.05 raised to power 1 into 0.95 raised to power 4. Now you can take 0.95 raised to power 4 common. So after taking common, you will get inside the bracket that will be equal to 0.95 plus 5 into 0.05. Further simplify किया हमने 0.95 raised to power 4. Inside the bracket you will get 0.95 plus 0.25. Further just to simplify it, you will get 0.95 raised to power 4 into 1.20, and this will be the required answer. Now in the third case, that is more than 1, means x is greater than 1. That can be, you see here, a special technique has been used here, that is complement form. Means 1 से हम माइनस करेंगे. देखिए प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होता है, इट इज ऑलवेज 1 टोटल, सम ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी इक्वल टू 1. सो माइनस कर दिया हमने, so 1 minus probability, that is x is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1. Here the sign will be changed. Here just I have specified clearly, the sign will be changed. So 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 1. Here it was greater, but here it will be, because we are going to take the complement form. So 1 minus 0.95 raised to power 4 into 1.2. इस आंसर को हम यहाँ पर इस्तेमाल करेंगे अभी, क्योंकि ये देखिए यहाँ से मिला, ये आप x रेस्ट टू पावर लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 था, x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 है. अब हम अगर इसमें से 1 से माइनस करेंगे, दैट विल बी सेम चीज, same thing, that will be p is greater than p, x is greater than 1. So after solving it, this will be the required answer. 1 minus 0.95 raised to power 4 into 1.2. At least 1, that is x is greater than or equal to 1. It will become the lengthy, hence take the complement form and sign will be changed. So p x is greater than or equal to 1. That will be 1 minus p in bracket x is less than or equal to, less than 1. So 1 minus p x is greater than, x is equal to 0. 1 minus 0.095 whole raised to power 5. And this will be the required answer of the fourth part of the question number 5. That's all.